Hi everybody and welcome back. It's Jo, here to work with you again, and my friend Carlo. Carlo's brought with him not one bag today, but two, and I'm not sure why. I think we'd better check his communication book and see if there's hopefully a note from his family. Oh, some interesting things in his backpack today. And Carlo's note says this: Dear children and Jo, last night we were listening to Carlo. He was busy creating a repeating pattern with 3 parts, but this time he didn't use leaves and he didn't use knives or forks or spoons. He used a musical instrument. Carlo's sister, Anya, recorded it and sent it along on a digital device for you to listen to. We're wondering if you will be able to hear the repeating pattern, and we're wondering if you can record it for Carlo. There's something else on the next page, but I'm just going to check and make sure you brought that digital device along, Carlo. Oh, still got your invitation in your bag. And he has bought his digital device, and it looks like it's ready to go. So what's our job? This time it is to listen and see if we can hear the repeating pattern that Carlo made. Are you ready? I think I heard it. Did you? Let's have a go at making it with our voices. It went low, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, high, low, low, high. The unit of repeat was low, low, high. 3 parts to it. Very clever, Carlo. Let's listen to the next one. Did you get that one? I think it was this. High, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low. 3 parts to that unit of repeat. High, high, low. Wow. One more. Are you listening carefully? That one's a bit harder. I wonder if you were doing what I did. I wonder if you were saying it to yourself. I heard this. Low, Carlo. Medium, high, low. If we're talking about a voice, we're talking about a middle of the range sound and a high sound. A low sound, a middle of the range sound and a high sound. Help me with it. A low sound, a middle of the range sound and a high sound. The unit of repeat was low, medium, high. Help me. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. low, medium, high. That was clever. I wonder if you have a piano at home you can play around with, or another instrument, or actually, you know what? Even your pots and pans can make different sounds. I wonder if you might have a go at making a repeating pattern using sound today. That was clever, Carlo, and it was tricky. Put that to the side. There were 2 parts to his note today. I think we've been successful with the first part. This is what I noticed when you came in today, Carlo. You brought with you your picnic pack. It says, Carlo's also bought his picnic basket because he wants to be organised for what's the event he's going to? You are right, his pattern picnic. He's bought some paper plates, but they have no pattern, they're just plain. And he wants to create a repeating pattern, but he has a problem. He said to us last night, if I make a pattern on my plate, where am I going to put my food? We're really hoping you can help him prepare another item this week for his pattern picnic. And it says, many thanks from Carlo's family. Let's pop your book out the way. I'm very curious about what you've got in your picnic basket today. Zipped up. And I think I've even noticed, Carlo, that you've got a pattern on your picnic basket. Looks a bit like a zebra, doesn't it? Oh, a basket of green pom-poms, a basket of orange pom-poms. What did his family say? A plain packet of paper plates, a glue stick, and that's all. That out the way. Okay, so what's the problem, Carlo? I agree. The plates are not patterned, they're plain. And Carlo's problem is, if he makes a pattern like we've been creating over the last few days across his plate, how on earth is he going to eat off of it? Where will he put his food? Do you know, Carlo, patterns don't always have to be in a line. Have a look at this plate. Have you got a different idea on how Carlo can create a repeating pattern using the pom-poms on the plate? Let's try making a border pattern around the circumference. Do you think that might work? I notice you've included a glue stick. So let's pop the plate down. We've only got 2 colours, but we've spent most of the week practicing our 3-part pattern. Let's have a go at making a 3-part pattern using green and orange. What should we start with? Start with the green. What do you think we should put in next? 1 or 2 orange? Let's go 2. 1, 2. What goes next? Help me. Green. And next? Orange. Orange. Beautiful. The colours that you actually might find at Hazelwood Park in autumn. Green, orange, orange. That's looking much more interesting than the plain paper plate, Carlo. Green. Are you saying the pattern out loud? Nearly put another green on by mistake. Orange, orange. Let me check. Can you help me? Green, orange, orange. Green, orange, orange. Green, orange, orange. Green, orange, orange. What is next? You're right. Green, orange. And we're making sure that they touch so that we can continue the pattern all the way around and connect it up to the beginning. So we can continue it all the way around and connect it to where we began. Okay, I'm saying it to myself, green to orange. Green. Remember what this is called? It's a border pattern. To orange. It's still a repeating pattern. Green. Oh, am I going to be able to sneak in a complete unit there? I'm going to make that border a little bit tighter. I need to be able to sneak in 3 more. So 1 green and wow, and 2 more orange. You can see that repeating pattern never ends. It goes around and around and around. It had 3 parts to it. The pattern of repeat was green, orange, orange. That's the pattern we created on the border, but Carlo's got lots of other plates there, and he's got plenty of other pom-poms. We're going to leave you with this task, Carlo, and we look forward to seeing what patterns you make at home tonight using your pom-poms and your plain paper plates. Thanks for helping today, everybody. We've had a really busy week. Do you remember Carlo came in at the beginning of the week and he was really worried because he didn't even know what a pattern was? We've taught him all about repeating patterns this week. We've spoken about patterns with 2 parts and patterns with 3 parts. We've made patterns, we've copied patterns, we've created new patterns. We have, you're right, we've recorded patterns, and we've been so clever at even translating patterns using our voice and our body. That's been a really big week, but I have to tell you, Carlo, that's not all there is to know about patterns. We really hope you'll all be back next week to help us to continue our learning about patterns. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for learning with us. Bye, everybody. Say goodbye, Carlo. Bye.